If you really want to make more profit when you are trying to source from China to whatever country of your choice, you need to watch this video, most especially if you are using Taobao. What I'm trying to show you here is a kind of price difference between Taobao and other apps as far as Chinese shopping is concerned. So we are going to dive into the practical, and I'm going to show you how much I was able to save as a result of forgetting about Taobao at the moment. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how much I bought the product on Taobao and how much I bought it on another Chinese e-commerce platform. Then we now do the calculation. Then you see the difference and you see the reason why you have to stop and forget about Taobao if you want to make more profit from your e-commerce business. So let's get started. So I'm going to head over to my Taobao app right here. Alright, so this is my Taobao app. So what I'm going to do is to head over to my profile. So I'm going to click on here to head over to my profile. Boom, it's opened up this page. So I have a product, like I said in this video, I have a product I want to use as an example. So I will head over to my refund section right here because I later got refund for the product. Alright, so you can see this product right here. I purchased this product at the price of 56 yuan on Taobao. Okay, now another Chinese shopping app where I purchased this same particular product, even the same picture as you are seeing it on this video right here, I purchased it lesser than this price on another Chinese shopping app. So let me take you to the Chinese shopping app and then a proper review about the Chinese shopping app and why you have to consider it over Taobao at this time of doing your shipping, your procurement and shipping from China. And I purchased the same products on Pinduoduo app. It's also a Chinese e-commerce platform. So let's head over to my Pinduoduo app right here. So I'm going to click on Pinduoduo. So let me quickly head over to my Pinduoduo profile. So I'm going to click on here to access my Pinduoduo profile. So actually I have gotten this product successful delivered. So I will head over to this point right here. Then let me scroll down and we'll look for the product. Okay, so you can see the product right here. Take a look at it. The name the same, the picture the same, and right here the product was purchased at the price of 48 yuan as against 56 yuan that was sold on Taobao. Now let's do a simple calculation right here. Okay, so the simple calculation here is that 56 minus 48, then you have how much left. So where's my calculator right here? So my calculator here. So 56 yuan minus 48, 56 minus 48. So I was able to save 8 yuan if I purchase this product from Pinduoduo app. Now let's, for instance, if I bought this product on about 100 pieces, so that means I will save 8 multiplied by 100 pieces of the product. That means I will save 800 RMB just to purchase 100 pieces of this same product instead of using Taobao. So you can see how you will be able to save more money and make more profit for your e-commerce if eventually you use Pinduoduo as against Taobao. But one very critical challenge about this Pinduoduo app is that, number one, before you can use Pinduoduo app, you must have a working WeChat account, because without WeChat account, you cannot access Pinduoduo app. That's the most challenges a lot of people that we are not in China they are facing. But if you are not in China or you are not a Chinese, that does not restrict you from having a successful WeChat account. What you need to do is to look for somebody that can scan your QR code successful. Once you have a successful WeChat account, then you will be able to have access to this Pinduoduo app. These are the things that if you are trying to use Taobao, you don't have any restricted, because Taobao is basically meant for foreigners, okay? It's not meant for Chinese citizens. That is why products there are somehow costly than when you use a traditional Chinese e-commerce platform. Pinduoduo app right here is a traditional Chinese e-commerce platform which is meant for only Chinese. But if you are not in China or you are not a Chinese, that does not mean you cannot purchase from this app. What you need to do is to understand how the app it works, okay? And make sure you have your WeChat account, you have your Alipay, then you are good to go. You can purchase from the app and send it to whatever country of your choice, unlike Taobao. Taobao is basically for foreigners, like I said. So you can import from Taobao direct from China to any part of the world, okay? But in the case of Pinduoduo app, you have to buy from the Pinduoduo and send it to Chinese local address before you can ship to whatever country of your choice. So this is what I have for you guys as far as save more when you are trying to procure and ship from China using Pinduoduo app as against Taobao step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.